and thanks for stopping by our channel where inspiration for creativity starts. Please feel free to like or comment on this video. And if you want to stay up to date on all our new videos, hit the subscribe button. I'm going to show you how to make mint ice cubes today. Do you love mint water? I do, but mint doesn't last all year. So in the summer you can have mint ice cubes. I'm going to show you how to make them. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to make mint ice cubes. So the first thing you want to do is get a pot of water. Probably about a cup. I have a cup about this size. And then if I have extra, I can put it in the cup to store it. And I'll show you how to make ice cubes in a minute. So first, I'm going to turn the burner on. We're going to get it to boiling. When it's boiling, we'll come back and I'll show you what to do. Okay, so now you have it boiling. Okay, now it's actually only been 2 minutes, but I'm going to take this out because see how green the water has changed? Okay, and now I'm going to take this. I'm going to take the mint out first. Okay. And there might be little pieces of mint floating in it, so I have a little strainer and I'm going to strain it. Now I have my mint water, it's all been strained, and make sure to put it in glass dish, not a plastic, because it's hot and it might melt it. And so you want to make sure to have a glass dish. So it's strained, and I'm going to fill my ice cubes trays with half mint water and half regular water.